How to order your frame sample kit. Start by visiting our website and downloading the PDF where you will select the wood samples you desire. Choose 10 wood profiles from all available options. Save your file. You can now start your order on our platform. Upload the PDF you previously filled out. You can now complete your order. Thank you.